Hello, this is Riley with Follett Technical Service. Today we are going to discuss the possible remedies to a high amp time delay error on a Follett Horizon Elite ice machine. This process would be used when the normal chemical cleaning was not effective at removing all the scale. Before we begin, please be sure to use personal protective equipment. Follett recommends protective eyewear and gloves for this procedure. Also, remove power from the unit when appropriate. The tools and supplies we'll be using today are as follows: disposable food service grade gloves, cut-proof protective gloves, paper towels or lint-free cloths, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 3/16 Allen wrench, a 1/2 inch open-end wrench, a 9/16 socket, a Scotch-Brite pad, a sponge, a 1.5 gallon bucket, and Safe Clean Plus ice machine cleaner. Remove the front grill and set aside. Remove the 2 Phillips head screws from the front cover. Remove the front cover and set aside. Remove the Phillips head screw from the electrical box cover. Remove the cover. Press the reset button. Press the clean button to purge the evaporator. Turn power off when the low water LED lights. Remove the ground wire from the gear motor and replace the ground screw. Disconnect the gear motor wires. Remove the gearbox insulation. Remove 2 3/16 inch Allen screws. Remove the auger retaining fork. Remove the 2 9/16 inch gear motor bolts. Remove the gear motor and set aside. Remove the key from the auger shaft. Be careful not to lose the key. Remove the main housing insulation and the shuttle insulation. Remove the front feed water tube from the push-in fitting. Remove the shuttle drain tube and the shuttle switch. Remove the 3 3/16 inch Allen screws. Unscrew and disconnect the ice transport tube from the louver docking station. The auger is very sharp. Be sure to wear protective gloves. Remove the auger and the main housing together. Rotate the auger to align the opening in the auger flange with the stream divider. Pull out the auger. Use the emery cloth to remove the scale from the evaporator. Scrub only in a forward and back motion. Use a paper towel or dry, lint-free cloth to wipe out the evaporator. Follow the directions on the Safe Clean Plus ice machine cleaner to mix 1 gallon of Safe Clean Plus solution. Use a green Scotch-Brite pad to carefully scrub the auger to remove any scale buildup. This may take several minutes. When the scale has been removed, use a lint-free cloth and potable water to thoroughly wipe down and rinse the auger. Use another lint-free cloth to completely dry the cleaned auger. Twist the purge solenoid to remove. Remove the spring and plunger. Check the plunger for scale and wipe clean if necessary. Check inside the solenoid housing for scale buildup. Clean if necessary. Reinstall the plunger and spring, then reinstall the purge solenoid. Ensure the leads on the water reservoir probes are connected in the proper sequence. Left to right must be black, orange, yellow. Unscrew the 4 Phillips head screws from the water reservoir lid. Make sure the probes are clean and have no scale buildup. Scrub with a Scotch-Brite pad if necessary. Replace the water reservoir lid and screws. Reinstall the auger. Rotate it so the notch is at the 11 o'clock position. This ensures that it will not interfere with the stream divider. Use an alcohol pad to wipe and clean the auger shaft seal. Use another alcohol pad to wipe the main housing seal. Slide the main housing onto the auger. Connect the transport tube to the louvered docking station. Install the shuttle drain tube. To install the shuttle switch, align the holes with the pins and depress the switch button to clear the shuttle tab. Install the front water feed tube. Ensure it is fully seated. Use a screwdriver to pull the auger forward. Install the three 3/16" Allen screws. Install the shuttle insulation. Install the main housing insulation. Place a thin layer of petrogel on the auger shaft. Slide the gear motor fully onto the auger and install the 9/16" gear motor bolts. Pry the shaft forward to install the retainer fork. Rotate the auger using a 1/2" wrench to align the key. Install the key fully. Rotate the retainer fork to align the screw holes. Install the 3/16" screws to secure the retainer fork. Connect the gear motor wires. Connect the ground wire. Install the gearbox insulation. Replace the electrical box cover and screw. Clean and sanitize the ice machine. Check for leaks. Replace the front cover and grill.